Did you know that the secret to slowing down aging and preventing chronic diseases might already be in your kitchen? In this video, we're diving into the power of antioxidants, how they protect your body from damage, boost your health, and even help you live longer. Stay tuned to unlock the science behind these powerful compounds and learn how they can transform your well-being. Antioxidants are essential compounds that play a crucial role in maintaining the health and well-being of the human body. They protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and contribute to longevity. To fully appreciate the importance of antioxidants, it's essential to understand how they work, where they come from, and their specific health benefits. In this article, we'll dive deeper into antioxidants, explaining their mechanisms, types, sources, and how they promote overall health. Understanding free radicals. Free radicals are not entirely harmful. They play an important role in certain bodily functions, such as fighting infections and controlling cell growth. However, when they accumulate in excessive amounts, they can cause a condition called oxidative stress. What is oxidative stress? Oxidative stress occurs when the production of free radicals surpasses the body's ability to neutralize them with antioxidants. This imbalance leads to damage in vital cellular components like DNA, proteins, and lipids. Over time, this damage can contribute to the development of various chronic diseases, including 1. Cancer. Free radicals can damage the DNA in cells, leading to mutations that may cause cancer. 2. Cardiovascular diseases. Oxidative stress can lead to the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, contributing to plaque buildup in the arteries and increasing the risk of heart disease. 3. Diabetes. Excessive oxidative stress can impair insulin function and increase inflammation, both of which are linked to diabetes development. 4. Neurodegenerative diseases. Diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's have been associated with oxidative damage to brain cells. 5. Aging. Free radicals accelerate the aging process by damaging cells and tissues over time, leading to wrinkles, reduced skin elasticity, and other signs of aging. This is where antioxidants come into play. They serve as a natural defense mechanism, neutralizing free radicals and preventing oxidative stress from causing extensive cellular damage. Today, we're talking about a fruit that's not only delicious, but also packed with incredible health benefits: fresh cherries. From reducing inflammation and supporting heart health to improving sleep and boosting your immune system, these little red gems offer a wide range of advantages. In this video, we'll be diving deep into 10 amazing health benefits of fresh cherries. So, let's get started. Cherries are bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins and cyanidin, which give them their vibrant red color. These powerful antioxidants act like little warriors, fighting off free radicals and protecting your cells from damage. So next time you're craving a snack, reach for a handful of cherries and give your body a powerful dose of antioxidants. Moving on to our next benefit, let's talk about heart health. Heart disease is a major concern worldwide, and maintaining a healthy heart should be a top priority for everyone. Cherries contain beneficial compounds called polyphenols, which have been linked to improved heart health. Polyphenols work their magic by reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function, both crucial for a healthy cardiovascular system. So by incorporating cherries into your diet, you're not only enjoying a delicious treat but also taking a proactive step towards supporting your heart health. Now, let's delve deeper into the anti-inflammatory benefits of cherries. Chronic inflammation can be detrimental to your health, contributing to various chronic diseases. Cherries are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds, including those powerful anthocyanins we talked about earlier. These compounds help to reduce the production of inflammatory molecules in the body, effectively putting out the fire of inflammation. Studies have shown that consuming cherries can significantly reduce inflammation markers in the body, particularly in individuals with conditions like arthritis. So if you're struggling with chronic inflammation or pain, adding cherries to your diet could provide natural relief. Moving on to our next benefit, let's talk about sleep. Getting a good night's sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health, But for many people, getting a restful night's sleep can be a challenge. If you find yourself tossing and turning at night, cherries might be the natural sleep aid you've been searching for. Tart cherries in particular are a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Melatonin signals to your body that it's time to sleep, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Enjoy a serving a couple of hours before bedtime and see if it makes a difference in your sleep patterns. Let's move on to another important aspect of health: your immune system. Your immune system is your body's natural defense system, protecting you from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. Cherries can give your immune system a powerful boost. These vibrant fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a vital role in immune function. Vitamin C helps to strengthen your immune cells, making them more effective at fighting off infections. Just 1 cup of cherries provides over 15% of your daily vitamin C needs, making them a delicious and convenient way to support your immune health. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, reach for a bowl of cherries and give your immune system the support it needs. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Now let's talk about weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for overall health and well-being, and cherries can be a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. Cherries are naturally low in calories and fat, making them a guilt-free snack option. Moreover, cherries are a good source of fiber, which is known for its satiating effects. Fiber adds bulk to your diet, helping you feel fuller for longer and reducing cravings. So, if you're looking for a healthy and satisfying snack that won't sabotage your weight loss efforts, look no further than cherries. Let's move on to another important aspect of health: blood sugar control. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The good news is that cherries have a low glycemic index. Foods with a low glycemic index are digested and absorbed more slowly, resulting in a gradual rise in blood sugar rather than a sharp spike. This makes cherries an excellent fruit choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. So, if you're looking for a sweet treat that won't wreak havoc on your blood sugar, cherries are a fantastic option. Now, who doesn't want healthy, youthful-looking skin? Our skin is our largest organ, and it's constantly exposed to environmental stresses that can accelerate aging. Cherries can help protect your skin and fight the signs of aging. Remember those powerful antioxidants we talked about earlier? Well, they play a crucial role in skin health as well. Antioxidants protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Cherries are also a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives your skin its elasticity and firmness. By consuming vitamin C-rich foods like cherries, you can help support collagen production and maintain youthful-looking skin. Let's move on to another important aspect of health: gut health. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as your gut microbiota. These bacteria play a vital role in digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. Cherries can help support a healthy gut. These little fruits are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. So, by incorporating cherries into your diet, you're not only enjoying a delicious treat, but also nourishing your gut and supporting overall health. Finally, let's talk about gout. Gout is a painful inflammatory condition that affects the joints. Cherries have been shown to have anti-gout properties, thanks to their ability to lower uric acid levels in the blood. Studies have shown that consuming cherries, particularly tart cherries, can significantly reduce uric acid levels and reduce the risk of gout attacks. Researchers believe that the anthocyanins in cherries help to reduce inflammation and inhibit the enzyme that produces uric acid. So, if you're prone to gout or have a family history of the condition, incorporating cherries into your diet could be a natural way to manage your symptoms and reduce your risk. So there you have it. 10 amazing health benefits of fresh cherries. From boosting your immune system and promoting better sleep to supporting heart health and reducing inflammation, these little fruits pack a powerful nutritional punch. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, add them to your breakfast yogurt, or use them to make delicious jams and desserts, there are countless ways to incorporate cherries into your diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Let me know in the comments below how you like to enjoy your cherries. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.